who may need assistance evacuating or securing their property. This warning remains in effect until further notice, so stay tuned for updates. Folks in eastern Tula and Liberty counties, the high winds warning is still in effect with southwest winds reaching 35 to 45 miles per hour, and gusts up to 70 miles per hour possible. These high winds could move loose debris, damage property, and cause power outages. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. This warning continues until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time today, so stay alert and take necessary precautions. Folks in Alfalfa and surrounding areas, a freeze warning is in effect until 7 a.m. Central Standard Time Sunday. Expect sub-freezing temperatures as low as 29 degrees, which could kill crops and sensitive vegetation. Make sure to protect any outdoor plumbing to prevent damage. This warning covers Kingfisher, Logan, Payne, Garfield, Grant, Kay, Noble, Alfalfa, Blaine, and major counties. Take action now to cover your plants and secure any vulnerable outdoor equipment before the temperatures drop tonight. Folks in Judith Gap and southern Wheatland, a high winds warning is in effect right now until 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time this evening. West winds will be blowing at 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour, making travel very difficult along Route 191 and other north-south roads. If you're driving, especially if you're in a high-profile vehicle, take extra caution or delay your trip if possible. This warning expires tonight at 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, so stay alert until then. The strong winds can cause hazardous driving conditions and may lead to property damage. Stay indoors if you don't need to venture out, and secure any loose items outside that could become projectiles in the wind. Good afternoon, I'm Tempest, with your National Weather Summary for November 1st, 2025. Let's start by looking at what's happening this weekend across the country. The Pacific Northwest is expecting a soaking wet weekend as an atmospheric river moves in, bringing heavy rain and potentially dangerous flash flooding to parts of Washington and Oregon. Coastal areas could see up to 3 inches of rain, while higher elevations like the Cascades might get even more, up to 5 inches. This much water can lead to some rivers overflowing, especially for places like Skokomish. Along with all that rain, expect gusty winds and big waves along the coast. Moving eastward, a cold front is bringing thunderstorms to parts of the southeastern United States. From Texas up through Tennessee and into the Carolinas, you might see some strong storms, even severe ones near the Gulf Coast in Texas. This system will move north over the weekend, leaving behind cooler temperatures for much of the eastern half of the country. In contrast, out west, it's going to be quite warm, with above-average temperatures building up across California and other western states. By Monday morning, we'll see a reinforcing cold front push through the Pacific Northwest, bringing more rain showers but also helping clear some of those clouds away. Looking ahead into next week, expect stormy conditions to persist in the Northwest as another system moves onshore. The Great Lakes region will also experience periods of light to moderate precipitation early in the week, while the Ohio and Tennessee valleys might see similar weather patterns later in the week. Most of the southern and central parts of the country should stay relatively dry under weak ridging. That's the picture for now. We'll keep you updated. Folks in the Madison River Valley, we're under a continuing high winds warning with south winds of 35 to 45 miles per hour and gusts up to 60 miles per hour. This warning is in effect from noon today until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Sunday. These high winds can move loose debris, damage property, and cause power outages, so stay indoors if possible and secure any loose items outside. Weather trivia. Did you know that fall is one of the best times for viewing spectacular cloud formations known as mammatus clouds? These unique, bulbous structures often appear underneath thunderstorm anvils and can look like a series of hanging pouches or bubbles. They form when sinking air inside a storm cools below the surrounding air temperature, causing water vapor to condense into these distinctive shapes. While they're not exclusive to fall, the season's changing weather patterns make it an ideal time for spotting them. Next time you see some dramatic clouds in the sky, take a closer look and you might just catch sight of these amazing mammatus formations. Stay weather aware and keep those eyes peeled for nature's artistry up above. Folks in eastern Glacier and western Toul, this high winds warning is still active with southwest winds at 35 to 45 miles per hour and gusts up to 70 miles per hour possible until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time today. These strong winds can move loose debris, damage property, and cause power outages. If you're traveling, especially in high-profile vehicles, exercise extreme caution. Stay safe and indoors if possible. Folks in East Glacier Park region and nearby areas like Northern High Plains and Southern Rocky Mountain Front, a high winds warning is in effect until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Sunday. Southwest winds of 40 to 50 miles per hour, with gusts up to 80 miles per hour are expected, and isolated gusts over 90 miles per hour could cause significant damage. Secure loose items outside and expect possible power outages. High-profile vehicles will face difficult travel conditions, so avoid unnecessary driving if you can. Winds will intensify this afternoon and be strongest tonight, so stay indoors and away from windows to stay safe. Stay tuned for updates and take precautions now. In Big Belt, Bridger, and Castle Mountains, a high winds warning is in effect until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Sunday. West winds of 30 to 40 miles per hour, with gusts up to 60 miles per hour, are expected starting at noon today. These strong winds can move loose debris, damage property, and cause power outages. If you're traveling, especially in high-profile vehicles, expect difficult conditions and plan accordingly. Stay indoors if possible and secure any outdoor items to avoid damage. Stay tuned for updates and keep safe. Weather Science Minute. Today, let's talk about something you might have wondered about while enjoying this beautiful fall weather. Why do we have seasons? Well, it all comes down to the tilt of our Earth and its journey around the sun. Imagine the Earth is like a big spinning top as it orbits the sun. Now, here's the key part. That top, our planet, has a slight lean to one side. This means different parts of the Earth are closer or farther from the sun at various times throughout the year. When your hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, you get more direct sunlight and warmer weather. We call this summer. On the flip side, when it's tilted away from the sun, like during fall and winter, the sunlight hits us at a slanted angle, making things cooler. So, as we enjoy these crisp autumn days, remember that it's all because of our Earth's tilt and its orbit around the sun. This natural cycle gives us those 4 beautiful seasons, each with its own unique charm. Take care out there and keep looking up to appreciate the wonders of nature. Here's your Indiana State forecast for November 1, 2025. Up in the north around South Bend, you're seeing mostly cloudy skies this afternoon with temperatures reaching up to 51 degrees. Tonight will be partly cloudy as we drop down into the low 30s. Looking ahead to Sunday, expect a sunny day with highs climbing back up to 55 degrees. Moving over to central Indiana, including Indianapolis, it's been partly sunny this afternoon with temperatures around 53 degrees. We're tracking scattered rain showers for tonight and will cool down into the low 40s. For Sunday, you can expect a mix of sun and clouds, with highs similar to South Bend at 55 degrees. Down in southern Indiana, particularly around Evansville, it's been quite wet today with rain showers likely, and temperatures have reached up to 55 degrees. Tonight will continue to be damp with more scattered showers, keeping us in the low 40s overnight. Sunday should see a break from the rain as we look at mostly sunny skies with highs reaching into the upper 50s. Across Indiana, it's been quite a mix of weather patterns today, but things are looking up for Sunday with plenty of sunshine around the state. For the rest of the week, expect more of the same, a blend of sun and clouds, with temperatures staying fairly mild for this time of year. Thanks for tuning in. Stay weather aware. In eastern Toole and Liberty counties, the high winds warning is still in effect with southwest winds reaching 35 to 45 miles per hour, and gusts up to 70 miles per hour possible. These high winds could move loose debris, damage property, and cause power outages. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. This warning continues until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time today, so stay alert and take necessary precautions. High winds warning for Hill County and surrounding areas including parts of Blaine, Pondera, Teton, Chouteau, Cascade, Judith Basin, and Fergus counties until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Sunday. Expect west winds up to 45 miles per hour with gusts reaching 65 miles per hour. High winds may move debris, damage property, and cause power outages. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Stay safe, everyone. Oaks in northern Sweetgrass and Melville foothills. This high winds warning is still active with west winds of 30 to 40 miles per hour and gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible until 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time tonight. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles on Route 191 and Interstate 90 due to strong crosswinds. Stay safe and avoid unnecessary travel if possible. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Tempest with your Ohio Valley weather update. Starting up in Illinois, Chicago and Aurora will see isolated rain showers after 5 p.m., but mostly it'll be sunny today with highs around 51 degrees. Tonight, scattered rain is possible with lows around 41 degrees. Naperville has the same forecast, partly sunny with a slight chance of rain before 9 p.m. Over in Indiana, Indianapolis and Fort Wayne will have partly sunny skies with highs near 53 degrees. Expect scattered showers tonight between 11 p.m. and 2 a.m. for Indianapolis, while Fort Wayne will be mostly clear with lows around 33 degrees. Evansville has a good chance of rain today and tonight before 4 a.m., with highs near 55 and lows around 39. In Kentucky, Louisville and Lexington are seeing scattered to isolated showers after the afternoon, with mostly cloudy skies and highs in the mid-50s to low 60s. Tonight, expect more rain chances with lows in the mid-40s. Bowling Green has similar conditions but a bit warmer with highs near 60 degrees. Ohio's cities are mostly sunny today. Columbus at 57 degrees, Cleveland around 55, and Cincinnati at 59. Rain is likely tonight for Cincinnati between 11 p.m. and 5 a.m., with lows around 43 degrees. In Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh and Philadelphia will have mostly sunny skies today with highs near 57 to 59 degrees. Tonight, expect partly cloudy conditions with lows in the low 40s. Tennessee's Nashville has a chance of rain showers after 5 p.m. today, with highs near 63 degrees. Expect more rain tonight with lows around 43 degrees. Memphis will be mostly cloudy tonight with lows around 48 degrees, and a chance of rain Saturday afternoon. Knoxville is also looking at partly cloudy skies with highs near 61 degrees and possible showers after midnight. Finally, in West Virginia, Charleston and Huntington are seeing partly sunny conditions today with highs near 63 degrees. Tonight, expect mostly cloudy skies with a good chance of rain showers and lows around mid-40s. Morgantown is mostly sunny today with highs near 57 degrees and mostly cloudy, tonight with lows around 39. That's your Ohio Valley forecast. I'm Tempest. Stay weather aware. In Judith Gap and southern Wheatland, a high winds warning is in effect right now until 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time this evening. West winds will be blowing at 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour, making travel very difficult along Route 191 and other north-south roads. If you're driving, especially if you're in a high-profile vehicle, take extra caution or delay your trip if possible. This warning expires tonight at 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, so stay alert until then. The strong winds can cause hazardous driving conditions and may lead to property damage. Stay indoors if you don't need to venture out and secure any loose items outside that could become projectiles in the wind. Folks in eastern Glacier and western Toole, this high winds warning is still active with southwest winds at 35 to 45 miles per hour, and gusts up to 70 miles per hour possible, until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time today. These strong winds can move loose debris, damage property, and cause power outages. If you're traveling, especially in high-profile vehicles, exercise extreme caution. Stay safe and indoors if possible. Oakson Lake and Volusia, Florida, take note. The flood warning for the St. Johns River near Astor is still active. Water levels are rising, with minor flooding expected to continue through at least next week. Docks and boat ramps are covered, and some roads like Fox Road and parts of Clare Street are underwater. Stay clear of the riverbanks and avoid traveling on flooded roads. This warning will be updated tonight at 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Folks in East Glacier Park region and nearby areas like Northern High Plains and Southern Rocky Mountain Front, a high winds warning is in effect until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Sunday. Southwest winds of 40 to 50 miles per hour, with gusts up to 80 miles per hour are expected, and isolated gusts over 90 miles per hour could cause significant damage. Secure loose items outside and expect possible power outages. High-profile vehicles will face difficult travel conditions, so avoid unnecessary driving if you can. Winds will intensify this afternoon and be strongest tonight, so stay indoors and away from windows to stay safe. Stay tuned for updates and take precautions now. Time for Whether or Not, where we mix a little sunshine and laughter into your afternoon. Here's a leafy joke for you today. Why don't trees ever get lost? Because they always have their roots. Stay weather aware and keep smiling out there. We'll see you next time. Here's your West Virginia state. forecast for November 1, 2025, up in the north around Morgantown. You're seeing a mostly sunny afternoon with temperatures climbing up to 57 degrees. As night falls, expect it to turn mostly cloudy and cool down to about 39 degrees. For Sunday, we're looking at another mostly sunny day with highs reaching into the low 60s. Head on down to central West Virginia around Charleston, where you'll find partly sunny skies this afternoon with temperatures hitting 63 degrees. Tonight will be mostly cloudy with a chance of light rain and lows, cooling off to about 43 degrees. Sunday brings another mix, starting with a chance of light rain before turning partly sunny again, with highs in the mid-60s. Down south around Huntington, it's also partly sunny this afternoon, with temperatures at 63 degrees. Expect a chance of light rain tonight as well, with lows dropping to about 44 degrees. Sunday will see more of that light rain with temperatures staying steady in the low 60s. Overall, we're seeing some nice fall weather across the state today and into tomorrow, but keep an umbrella handy if you're heading out later this evening or on Sunday, especially down south and central parts, where there's a chance of light rain. Looking ahead to the rest of the week, expect more of these mild temperatures with occasional showers as we move through midweek. We'll have more details for you in our next update. Thanks for tuning in. Stay weather aware. Folks in the Madison River Valley, we're under a continuing high winds warning with south winds of 35 to 45 miles per hour and gusts up to 60 miles per hour. This warning is in effect from noon today until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Sunday. These high winds can move loose debris, damage property, and cause power outages, so stay indoors if possible and secure any loose items outside. Folks in Alfalfa and surrounding areas, a freeze warning is in effect until 7 a.m. Central Standard Time Sunday. Expect sub-freezing temperatures as low as 29 degrees, which could kill crops and sensitive vegetation. Make sure to protect any outdoor plumbing to prevent damage. This warning covers Kingfisher, Logan, Payne, Garfield, Grant, Kay, Noble, Alfalfa, Blaine, and major counties. Take action now to cover your plants and secure any vulnerable outdoor equipment before the temperatures drop tonight. Here's your Pennsylvania state forecast for November 1st, 2025. Up in the north around Erie, you're seeing a slight chance of rain showers this afternoon with temperatures reaching up to 51 degrees. Tonight, those rain chances stick around as temps drop down to about 42 degrees. Sunday looks mostly sunny and a bit warmer with highs hitting 55 degrees. Over in the west, Pittsburgh is enjoying mostly sunny skies this afternoon, with temperatures climbing to 57 degrees. As night falls, it'll be mostly cloudy but cooler, dropping down into the mid-30s. For Sunday, more of the same, mostly sunny and a little warmer at around 60 degrees. Central Pennsylvania, including Harrisburg, is also seeing mostly sunny conditions this afternoon, with temperatures reaching up to 60 degrees. Tonight will be partly cloudy as temps dip down into the low 30s. Sunday looks like it'll be all sunshine, with highs expected in the upper 60s. Overall, we're looking at a pretty mild day statewide with some scattered rain showers up north and mostly sunny skies elsewhere. The rest of the week should continue to be fairly pleasant, with temperatures staying close to normal for this time of year. Thanks for tuning in. Stay weather aware. Good afternoon. This is Tempest with your extended weather outlook for November 1, 2025. Starting off early next week, we'll see some changes as a low-pressure system moves out of the southeast and an upper-level trough crosses through the northeast. This means that by midweek, our weather patterns will shift significantly. A series of strong systems moving from west to east across the country will bring persistent stormy conditions to the northwest. Expect widespread precipitation chances there as Pacific fronts move onshore. Meanwhile, light to moderate rain could be in store for parts of the Great Lakes and Northeast throughout next week, with similar chances creeping into the Ohio and Tennessee valleys by later in the week.